Hello, everyone. My name is Lingfei Li. I am the FinTech Program Admission Coordinator. In this talk, I will brief you on some FinTech admission issues. For JUPAS applicants, we have some list of requirements. The admission is based on best 5 Hong Kong DSE subjects with a weighting scheme. You can find the minimum requirements and the weighting for each subject in this table. I would like to bring to your attention the importance of mathematics. Because it is so important for our program, we require a minimum of 4 for the mathematics compulsory parts, and its weight is also the highest among all subjects, which is 1.75. Our program welcomes students from different backgrounds. The preferred subjects include BAFS and economics, as well as science and technology electives like ICT, physics, chemistry, biology, combined science. And also, because math is important, we prefer M1 and M2. To emphasize the importance of math, we give 1.75 as the weight for M1 or M2. And all the other preferred electives are given a weight of 1.5. Each year, our program admits around 30 students from JUPAS, but the exact number may be higher than 30 due to quota shift. We won't know the exact quota at this time, but we'll know the number later in the admission year. Our program's admission quality is very high. It has consistently ranked top 2 in the engineering school in the past several years. Here I can share with you the median admission score in terms of best 5 total in the past few years, and it is 26 or 27. We will schedule interview for JUPAS applicants for late May or early June. The interview performance counts. We may promote students with great interview performance in the merit order list. And we will only select Band A students to the interview. For non-JUPAS admission, we accept various qualifications. In the past, many applicants apply with IB diploma, and some of them apply with A-level results, and some are from an associate degree program in Hong Kong. But of course, we also accept other qualifications, and you can check the OAFA website for details. We don't have specific non-JUPAS program requirements, although we are going to give preference to students with strong performance in the preferred subjects. For the preferred subjects, please make reference to the Hong Kong DSE preferred elective. And basically, we welcome students of business, finance, and economics background, as well as students from science and technology backgrounds, or those with very strong math backgrounds. Non-JUPAS applications will be assessed on individual merits, and we are also going to arrange interviews to assess the abilities of applicants. For scholarships, high score applicants typically receive scholarships from the university or the Faculty of Engineering, and sometimes from them both. The FinTech program will also make generous admission scholarships to high score applicants. Now I would like to introduce a dual degree program in collaboration with Peking University. We know that Peking University offers prestigious math education. We collaborated with them to start this dual degree program because we believe that very strong math backgrounds can help for the study of FinTech. So this dual degree program will lead to 2 degrees. One is Bachelor of Science in Financial Mathematics, awarded by Peking University, and the other is Bachelor of Engineering in FinTech, awarded by CUHK. Students will study in this program for 4 years. The first 2 years will be at Peking University, studying foundational mathematics courses plus some financial math courses. And in the last 2 years, students come back to CUHK to focus on the study of FinTech. After 4 years, students will graduate with 2 degrees, one in financial math and the other is in FinTech. We expect the graduates are well suited for further study, like master and PhD. They have a very, very good math background. And they also have advantages over their peers for industry jobs. Each year, we are going to select at most 2 CUHK students to join this program. They will pay CUHK tuition for all 4 years. Here are the requirements for the dual degree program. First, the applicants must be a Hong Kong resident, eligible for this passport, and they must have graduated from a Hong Kong middle school. Because Peking University has very high requirements on math, we require our students to obtain 5-star or above in either math compulsory parts or M1 or M2 for JUPAS applicants. And for non-JUPAS applicants, we expect the applicants to obtain the highest grade in their mathematical subject. And the applicants must be able to communicate in Putonghua because many courses in Peking University are conducted in Putonghua. The applicants for the dual degree program must have been first admitted into the FinTech program. There's no separate JUPAS codes for the dual degree program. If you are interested in this dual degree program, you should simply input the JUPAS codes for FinTech. For this dual degree program, interview will be arranged. Typically, it happens in August of every year with the panel members coming from both CUHK and PKU. And the decisions will be made jointly by CUHK and Peking University professors. We have run this dual degree program for the past 3 years. In the first year, 2 students were selected. In the second year, 1 student was selected. And in third year, 2 students were selected. And all of these students in the past were JUPAS students, and they obtained very high scores in the DS exams. After you have submitted your application to the JUPAS system, if you are a JUPAS applicant, or the CUHK admission system if you are a non-JUPAS applicant, we hope you can go to this web page. There's a web form there. Please indicate your intention to apply for the dual degree program by filling out that web form. If you have questions, you are always welcome to contact us. We have a program website. You can find lots of information about our program there. In particular, I would like to point out the FAQ section on the website. There you can find many frequently asked questions and their answers. Thank you very much for your attention.